Hello, you whippersnappers, it's me, the BFG, your friendly giant friend, and I've got a brand new adventure for you. Today we're diving into the magical world of YouTube. We're going to learn how to make our very own videos for YouTube. Isn't that exciting? Imagine creating something that people all over the world can see. YouTube is a place where you can share your stories, your jokes, and anything else you can dream up. It's like having your very own TV channel. Just imagine, you can be a star. Whether you love acting, singing, or even just talking about your favorite things, there's a place for you. You can sing a song, teach a magic trick, or share your favorite hobbies. The possibilities are endless, or even show everyone how to make the scrum-diddly-umptious snozcumbers. Maybe you have a secret recipe you want to share with the world. The best part is, it's not even that hard. With a little bit of practice, you'll be making videos like a pro in no time. All you need is a little bit of imagination and a sprinkle of BFG magic. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Grab your camera and let's make some magic together. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and be yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the wonderful world of YouTube and create something amazing. Now, before we start filming our masterpiece, we need the right tools. Having the right equipment can make a huge difference in the quality of your video, but don't worry. You don't need to break the bank to get started. Don't worry. You won't need anything too fancy. Even basic equipment can help you create something amazing if used correctly. First, you'll need a camera. This is the most essential tool for capturing your video. You can use the one on your phone or tablet. Modern smartphones and tablets have excellent cameras that are more than capable of recording high-quality video. It doesn't have to be anything special, as long as it records video. The key is to make sure your camera is stable and focused. Next, you'll need a microphone. Good audio quality is crucial because it helps your audience understand you clearly. This will help people hear your voice nice and clear. Clear audio can make your video more engaging and professional. Again, you can use the one built into your device or find a simple one to plug in. External microphones can often provide better sound quality, but built-in ones can work in a pinch. Finally, let's talk about lighting. Proper lighting can dramatically improve the look of your video. Good lighting will make your video look bright and cheerful. It helps to highlight your subject and reduce shadows. You can film near a window for natural light, or use a lamp. Natural light is often the best and most flattering, but a simple lamp can also do wonders. Additionally, consider using a tripod to keep your camera steady. A stable shot can make your video look much more professional. Lastly, don't forget to check your camera settings. Make sure your resolution and frame rate are set to the desired levels for the best quality. With these tools and a bit of creativity, you're all set to start filming your masterpiece. Happy filming! Now comes the fun part, choosing what your video will be about. Think about what you love to do and what you're good at. Maybe you love to bake. You could show everyone how to make your favorite cookies. Or maybe you're a whiz at solving puzzles. You could teach us how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Remember, the most important thing is to pick something you're passionate about. When you're excited about your video, everyone else will be too. Once you have your topic, it's time to get ready to film. This is where you can let your imagination run wild. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Make sure the background is nice and tidy. You don't want any whiz fiddles distracting people from your amazing video. Now think about what you want to say. You can write a script or just jot down some ideas. This will help you stay on track and make sure you don't forget anything important. Take a deep breath and action. Congratulations, you whiz-popping genius. You've done something truly amazing. You've made your very own YouTube video. This is a huge accomplishment, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Now it's time to share it with the world. Sharing your video is just as important as creating it. First, you'll need to create a YouTube account. If you already have one, you're one step ahead. It's quick and easy, like making a batch of frobscottle. Just follow the simple steps on the screen. Once you've uploaded your video, give it a catchy title. A good title can make a big difference in attracting viewers. Add a detailed description and some relevant tags. This helps people understand what your video is about and find it more easily. This will help people find your video when they're searching on YouTube. The more specific your tags, the better. Now sit back, relax, and watch the views roll in. It's always exciting to see how many people enjoy your content. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The more you explore, the better you'll become. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the biggest YouTube star in the world. The sky's the limit, so keep dreaming big.